Good evening, namaste, and welcome to the 6th convocation ceremony of Anant National University. This ceremony today marks an important milestone in our journey of academic excellence as we endeavor to offer a unique and meaningful design education to the youth of today. I'm happy to share that after much dedicated, focused work, hard work, and interdisciplinary education, 293 solutionaries are graduating today, stepping into a new world to make their contributions. We are proud of them. So, a loud hand. This stage backdrop that you see is a symbolic reflection of these graduates from multiple disciplines, signified or represented by different colors that you see, from multiple disciplines representing different hues, stepping into the real world, ready to make a meaningful contribution, ready to make a difference in many different ways. Amongst them is a cohort that deserves a special mention, the first batch of our sustainable fashion and textile design. I congratulate each of you for staying the course and completing this phase of your academic journey. All that you have acquired thus far, everything that you have, your friends, your mentors, your knowledge, your skills, your understanding of the world that you live in, will now be put to test as you set out to solve problems the world faces, as you set out to make the world a better place. And there cannot be a better role model to inspire you on your journey than our chief guest today, Mrs. Sudha Murthy. She epitomizes a true design thinker, one who understands the community and people, one who identifies problems that they face through the human power of empathy, and one who integrates creativity with critical thinking, analytical thinking to create plausible answers for those challenges. I'm sure most of you have been brought up reading her works, her stories that teach values such as empathy and compassion. Stories that bring about cultural and social awareness and instill in us a sense of social responsibility. Not just as a prolific writer, Mrs. Murthy has made an immense impact in the fields of women empowerment, health, education, art and culture through her social and philanthropic work. And it continues. And we could see her, on our campus, excited and inspiring, all the young people and old ones too, with how engaged she was, how interested she was, and most importantly, how curious she was. And she has asked me, to answer a few questions and to have a longer conversation about what we are doing here. Now, that is it. Stay curious. Use the power that you have to reimagine new worlds, right? That is what you have learned. So look at her as a guiding light as you set out on your adventure today. You're going out into the world today as proud ambassadors of Anant. It will be great for you to remember how your institution has grown with you and what are the values that drive us. In the last 5 years, since the time you joined us as students here, Anant has evolved many folds as an institution. Not only have the numbers gone up from 800 students and 72 faculty and 2 programs in 2019 to 1,800 students, 257 faculty, 4 schools, School of Design, School of Architecture, Anant School of Climate Action, that offers India's first and only BTech program in climate technology, Scope, which is the liberal arts hub, and the upcoming School of Future Technologies in 2024, 12 centers dedicated to distinct pursuits ranging from visual arts, cultural heritage, indigenous knowledge systems, craft documentation and development to sustainability, entrepreneurship, and films. This growth is not only quantitative, but deeply qualitative as well. You graduate today as a proud solutionary from a proud institution. An institution that in its short history of 8 years has created several firsts in the country. It has come up with several path-breaking initiatives that speak of our commitment to inclusion, design thinking, social impact, fighting climate change. The first example is ADEPT, Anant Design Entrance and Proficiency Test. This is an exam that an applicant or an aspirant would need to undertake in order to get admission in our institution. It will make for an interesting and unique case study for designing inclusion in education. In a country where 10% of its population has knowledge of English, we find educational institutions offering entrance exams in English, which rules out 90% of our population from access to quality education and denies our country the fruits of their creative potential. In a fast-changing world, faced with numerous challenges, it is crucial that we leverage the advantage that our young, non-English speaking demography offers us. For this reason, Anant's introduction of ADEPT is India's first initiative towards access and inclusivity in education, in design education in particular, as India's first and only multilingual design entrance test. That is what we offer, multilingual design entrance or aptitude test. It is conducted in 8 languages: English, Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali, Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi, and Telugu. This is only the first part. We are going to add more languages. So what this does, it challenges the conventional practice of using English as a language to assess aptitude. This initiative has opened doors for aspiring students and designers from diverse linguistic backgrounds from our country, fostering a more inclusive environment for creativity, innovation, problem solving, and impact. Another example of our uniqueness is our pedagogy. Anant is now being recognized for pioneering a new typology in design education, Design X, where X is the symbol drawn from, the discipline of mathematics, representing enhancement, representing augmentation. Design X multiplies traditional pedagogy with liberal arts disciplines, emerging technologies, and knowledge drawn from hands-on community experiences. At Anant, you have learned to create creativity, to cultivate creativity, analytical skills, and critical understanding of the world. These are 3 very significant perceptions to acquire, skills to develop, staying creative, connecting it with your critical or analytical thinking abilities, and using these after integrating these to address problems that you discover in our society. So your learning out here has not been confined to traditional classrooms, but through real life experiences, working with communities in real time to solve problems. Our mission is to prepare and empower solutionaries, keeping design thinking and community impact at the heart of our pedagogical interventions. This is something that is on view. Our visitors visit these exhibitions that our students put up of their experience, with their community immersions. We are confident that you will impact the world positively with fruits of your interdisciplinary learnings at Anant. At Anant, you have also learned to work collaboratively. You cannot really accomplish anything by working alone, and you can't really work alone, right? The best results are found when you work together. So at Anant, you have learned that you have worked collaboratively with partners from within the country and outside. And indeed, the path towards an equitable, healthy, and a just world cannot be walked alone. And for this journey, Anant has always sought to partner with impactful institutions such as UPenn, Boston Architectural College, University of Miami, IIT Kharagpur, just to name a few. This year, this academic year, has seen a remarkable expansion of our global and national partnerships, spanning academic institutions, government and non-government organizations, and industries. We have teamed up with Cardiff University, Virginia Commonwealth University, Hadassah Academic College in Israel, Istituto Italiano di Cultura di Mumbai, an Italian design setup in Mumbai. I think it's in the embassy. Our collaborations with entities like the Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, the Municipal School Board in Ahmedabad, and the Prabhat Education Foundation have nurtured and promoted our vision. So our students get to work with different institutions operating in different areas, from artificial intelligence and machine learning to working with those who are specially abled. You have worked and learned from each of our partners through studios and dedicated projects. Anant Fellows presented their learnings in building resilient coastal communities set in the context of Diu in Gujarat at the Archipelago Agenda Singapore, a project by Pratt, Pace University and Singapore University of Technology in partnership with Anant. Our architecture students worked on groundbreaking studio project titled Metaverse in Architecture in partnership with the University of Miami. Our interaction design student secured a fully sponsored graduation project with the Heart Foundation to work on reconnecting the local community with the Bari Museum in Italy. Our climate students interned with the Commonwealth Secretariat UK, developed projects with MIT Solve, and attended system thinking program at Villars Institute, Switzerland. We hosted international seminars with our partners in fields of architecture, design, climate technology. One, for instance, the 20th International Conference on Environmental, Cultural, Economic, and Social Sustainability with the University of Aveiro, Portugal, in January 2024. With Turkey's Alanya University, we hosted the 7th International Conference on Contemporary Architecture and Urbanism in May 2024. The same month, School of Design hosted an international designer symposium with designers and academics from Australia, Canada, UK, and India as participants, conducting workshops and discussions on the anthropological roots of inquiry. School of Architecture hosted the 3-day international symposium, Architecture for All, Call of the Future, on the theme of climate responsiveness, cultural sensitivity, and societal well-being. Iconic and globally renowned architects like Peter Rich from South Africa, Madhura Prem Tilake from Sri Lanka, and Marina Tabassum from Bangladesh participated. I'm sure these experiences will stay with you and inspire you to continue to work collaboratively in your professional careers. We have also launched 2 new centers at Anant. The Center of Design Education, CODE, we call it CODE, and it's directed at schools. So the first one is CODE and the second one is Anand Center for Documentation and Development of Crafts, ACDC. Center of Design Education marks a significant milestone for school education in India. It has been established to create awareness about design thinking and design as a discipline among school students, teachers, counselors, principals, and parents. Design, essentially, as we look at it, is a discipline. It's a very comprehensive discipline. It integrates your ability to be creative, think creatively, your ability to use your imagination, your ability to use your curiosity, connect with community, identify things, and wonder. And then moving on, from this creative, imaginative world, moving into the world of science and technology, using analytical and critical thinking to find solutions for what you have experienced. So your ability to imagine or reimagine gives you access to a world without that problem, and then you have to figure out how, to create a world without that problem. So it's a very comprehensive discipline. And this is something that school kids need to, rediscover, because it's at schools where their ability to be imaginative, their ability to ask questions, their ability to be curious, that's where it gets totally smothered. So we are reaching out, as an institution is reaching out to school through this particular center. And that is why it's a significant milestone for school education. So this initiative is aligned with national education policy and aims to introduce school children and educators to enable our young learners at schools to learn experientially, creatively, analytically, in order to acquire the expertise and an education that helps in solving problems that the world faces. We would be looking forward to your support in this initiative as role models for school children, as their mentors and guides. So far as ACDC, the Anand Center for Documentation and Development of Crafts, is concerned, it's very important that our young generation is steeped in emerging technologies and the world of AI and machine learning also acquire an equal exposure and understanding of our indigenous knowledge systems and practices. I'm sure you would remember the significance of sustainable practice in the work that you do as Anand alumni. Anand's Aramb Incubation Center has been set up to help students take their projects beyond prototyping. Aramb launched Swasth, an accelerator program of 12 weeks in partnership with India Accelerator, a venture fund. It is the first such program with a private university in Gujarat in the healthcare space. Aramb has 8 startups across India as part of the program, where prototyping and mentorship support has been provided by us. In fact, 5 students who are graduating today have registered their companies after successfully securing grants for their projects. These students were guided and mentored by our faculty from product to project development. I'm happy to share with you that Anand has filed 126 IPRs, including design registrations, copyrights, and patents. When any of you graduating today dream of setting up a venture of your own, dream of becoming a job creator, you're most welcome to reach out to Anand's Incubation Center. Today, as we gather here to celebrate your achievements, I wish to thank all the faculty, staff, and your family who have made it possible for you. I thank them for their consistent commitment and support. To all in the bright graduation stole, best of luck for your future. You will forever be a part of the Anand family, and I welcome you as the newest addition to the alumni body. Best wishes.